This is Dr. Michael Haley, and today we are going to take a critical step in branding, and that is acquiring your domain name. I'm sure this website will look different by the time you're looking at this video, but I'm going to, over here on the right where it says Urgent Resources, click on Godaddy Web Hosting. Once you have your domain name chosen, well, you can click in it here, or you can click in this box up here. Type it out, make sure you spell it correctly, and hit go. The Godaddy website does change frequently, so if it doesn't look exactly like this, that's okay. It's going to be the same process. And it says animmassagetherapy.com is available, just $11.99 a year. I will choose Add. One domain pending registration. I'll get that out of the way. And here I can continue to registration. I think it's funny when it says don't miss your chance to save, because the only way to save is to spend, so that's not really saving. So I will say no thanks. They want you to possibly buy other domain names. To someone that might be important, not to me. If you already have an account, you'll use the left side over here, but if you don't have an account, we'll be starting from scratch here. You can fill out all of this information here on this page, scroll down, and click the next button. It'll take you to step number 2 over here. Your domain name registration length. The more years, the better. The reason I say that is there is probably some search engine benefit where Google might take someone that has their domain name registered for many years more seriously. So, but in this case, I'm doing this on behalf of someone else. I'll hit 1 year. I'm going to click the next button, go to step 3. Your privacy and domain protection. I have never added anything to mine. I've gotten a little spam, but other than that, I haven't had any real problems. It looks like the grade one is the one that we're choosing here, because these are a different color, and that is already included in the cart, so we will choose Next. And step 4, activate your domain. You may choose to add email addresses. I'm not certain, however, I think it might come with one email address with your domain name. But I'm not certain about that. I'm not going to add anything for this one because we already have an email address. However, here I am going to add web hosting. This is really how you'll want to decide. You can get details. If you need more information, click on the hosting here to look at the differences. And if you click on this button, it'll give you a table that shows side-by-side stuff. If you want to, you can, so you don't lose your place, you can right-click on it and choose Open in a new tab. And scroll down, and you can see side-by-side the differences. But I'm going to sum up the differences that I have seen. And that is, this is for one website. This one you'll get many websites. If you plan on hosting more than one website, you would use this, and you can host several on the same hosting for just a little bit more. On my deluxe plan, I think I have about 25 websites hosted for $6.99 a month. In fact, it's cheaper than that if you buy multiple months at a time. But in this case, we're going to choose the single site plan. If you're going to put on a shopping cart, you might choose an SSL certificate. In this case, plain website, click Next. Okay, so notice you're getting in this case, for $50.05, a domain name and hosting for a year. Notice if you do upgrade, the price goes down to $3.49 a month if you had a 24-month plan. I'm going to continue to the checkout. If you're already a customer, go ahead and log in, or if you're not, roll down and create a new account. Continue to checkout. You've got a terms of service right here. Check that you've read them and place your order now. That's it for now. You can log out, check your email for details from Godaddy, and I'll see you on the next video.